Stop playing with him.
Once I let this bonnet down, you're gonna be like, oh my gosh, is that her hair? I know. I have a full tutorial on how I did this slay because I know you're gonna love it. It's very beginner friendly, very easy. But I wanna show you how to maintain this protective style just in case you're trying to wear this longer than a week or two. Definitely last you up to a month and a half, okay? I feel like with this hair, I'm talking a lot. I'm gonna get straight to the video. But with this hair in particular, the more you wear it, the bigger it gets, the more natural it looks. And for me, it's a whole vibe. So I did already, as you can see, I slicked down my edges. I'm gonna show you with what. I'm not gonna show you how, but if you wanna see that video, give this video a big old thumbs up, okay? Okay. I used the Gorilla Glue to slick my 4C baby hairs down, and I also got me an edge brush. I saw all the YouTube hair gurus have this, so I had to get me damn one too. She done slicked it down, but here we go. You ready? So I don't know if you guys can see, I'm gonna try to turn around for you. This is what my hair looks like after one whole week. Very nice. But I'm gonna show you how I maintain it because it's a bit tangly and it's super easy, but this is what the hair looks like. So all you're gonna need is a pair of scissors, but there are some pieces that are kind of tangly, but in certain areas, we've got low-key little tangles. Like, first, let's just take it and like spread it apart. This will result in bigger hair. You're gonna have to do this like every other week. And what I'm cutting out is little nappy bushes in here, and I'm just cutting that out. Or at least cutting the bottom of it. When you have the hairstyle, you're gonna know exactly what I'm talking about because you're not gonna wanna take this out your hair because it's so damn cute. I get so many compliments like, oh my gosh, girl, your hair is bomb. And I'm like, thanks, girl. So you're gonna see like little web pieces, or you might even see like little tangles. You don't even have to really go section by section. It's not that big of a deal. You're gonna just take it, separate it. Whenever you see like knots of hair, you're gonna just cut that out. And that's how you maintain your crochets. And all the pieces I'm currently cutting, those didn't have to be cut, but I wanted more of like layers, like you see. So now let's do it to this side. You're really gonna experience the most tangling at the back. Hairballs and tangles is what we're looking for. And once you start, you're really gonna see it. You're literally going to see it. When we're just cutting around the curl, you really know what you like and what you don't like. So I'm really about to give you some natural hair goals. Y'all are gonna be like, oh my god, girl. So this is my kinky crochet a week later. Super cute, still very soft. I want to show you guys how I wear my hair at nighttime because it's super simple. I go in with a bonnet. This is supposed to be an extra large bonnet, but it's not. I've been using this to sleep in. What I'll do is I'll just take my head, put it upside down like this, take the bonnet, literally that's it. Then I'll take all of my hair and then put it in the bonnet. You know, I'd put it all in, but I got my edges slicked and I have somewhere to go. And then you could always cover your edges with a scarf. But that's how I do my hair at nighttime. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up. Share with a friend. Some of y'all be letting your friends walk around crazy. Just share my video with her and she won't even feel like you are trying to, he or she, they won't even feel like you're trying to shoot on them, you know, because I got you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. So that I got him twerking with me in his bitch, huh?